To move a chart, follow the steps shown on the screen. I will follow these steps to position the chart shown on the screen below the table that is behind it. I first click the chart. As you can see, the mouse cursor changes to 4 black arrows. Second, I place the mouse cursor on a border. Third, I press the left button of the mouse and keep it pressed while moving the mouse. As you can see, the chart moves where the mouse cursor moves. Finally, I release the left button of the mouse. As a result, the chart is moved below the table.